What is good? What is good? What is good, family? It's your brother Yusef, and I am really trying to get used to doing these videos for YouTube. They will get better, I promise you, because I'm going to continue to practice. I'm going to continue to evolve. I'm going to continue to learn. I'm going to continue to grow. But right now, the goal, family, is to simply be able to get the information out to as many people as possible. So I do apologize in advance if I'm not looking at the camera. Right now I am having to read. I'm building scripts and so forth utilizing ChatGPT. But anyway, family, I'm here. I'm dedicated. We're growing. We're going to learn. We're going to grow. We're going to build this business online, and we're going to do it 100% for free. In other words, we are not going to utilize any type of paid advertising. We're going to utilize the algorithms of social media to allow us to build a six-figure business online. How does that sound? All right. So, family, question. Did you know that businesses embracing digital marketing are growing faster than ever? Yet so many people are still asking, what exactly is digital marketing and how does it work? So, family, in this video, I'm breaking down all of the questions that you may have regarding digital marketing in just 5 minutes. So I need you to stick around. Holla at your boy.
Building dreams with Yusef, profit in our hands, 2 hours daily grind, freedom in our plans, stacks on stacks we see, digital currency, network lines connect.
I help pre-retirees build automated businesses that bring in extra income and give them the time and freedom that they deserve. Today, we're talking about digital marketing, what it is, how it works, and why it's essential for anyone looking to grow a business online or create a new income stream. At its core, digital marketing is the promotion of products or services through digital channels like websites, search engines, social media, and email. Think about it. How often do you see ads on your favorite apps or search for something on Google and find businesses ready to serve you what you need? That is digital marketing in action. Unlike traditional marketing, such as billboards or TV ads, digital marketing focuses on connecting with people where they already are online. So, family, let's break it down into 5 main types of digital marketing. First, we have content marketing. This is creating valuable content like blogs, videos, or infographics that educate or entertain your audience. For example, this very video is content marketing. Social media marketing. Platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and of course YouTube, where brands connect with their audiences. It's all about engagement and building trust. Next, we have search engine optimization, or SEO for short. This helps your website show up higher on Google when someone searches for terms related to your business. For instance, if you sell fitness equipment, you may want to rank for best home gym equipment, as an example. Next, we have email marketing, a simple but powerful tool to nurture relationships with your audience. Ever receive a discount code or newsletter in your inbox? Well, that's email marketing. Lastly, we have paid ads. These are sponsored posts or ads that you see on Google or social media. They're targeted, meaning they show up for the exact audience that you want to reach. Big girl, you okay? Okay. Next, we have why it's important. So why would you care? Digital marketing is a game changer because it's cost effective compared to traditional advertising. You can reach a global audience without even leaving your home. And most importantly, it's measurable. You can track your success in real time. Imagine knowing exactly how many people are clicking your ad or how many people bought your product. With over 5 billion people utilizing the internet, it's where your customers already are. The question is, what will you do to help them find you? How digital marketing fits into your life. If you're a busy parent or pre-retiree, digital marketing can open doors you never thought possible. You don't need a big budget or advanced tech skills, just a willingness to learn. With a solid strategy, you can build a business that works for you even while you're asleep. It's not about working harder, it's all about working smarter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your biggest question about digital marketing. I'd love to help you get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.